Hello, I'm Terry Rooch, and welcome to a wonderful module of mine from Serious Automotive Training. For this module, I would like to introduce everyone to the wonderful world of Pennsylvania motor vehicle safety inspections. With the current changes in the regulations for mechanics in Pennsylvania, the changes were implemented to fortify the mechanics the ability to train online through a Pennsylvania portal. I would like to offer free training through Serious Auto Training on YouTube series for this recertification. This will allow the mechanic or the inspector or the facility owner to refresh themselves with their category, whether it be cars, trucks, bikes, or trailers, and allow them the ability to enhance themselves to pass the 3-year certification. My background has been training mechanics since 1992. I have trained hundreds of safety inspection mechanics. I've also worked overseas as a Department of Defense contractor, teaching military for over 10 years between Iraq, Afghanistan, and of course, beautiful Europe. So again, allow me, with my background as a high school teacher, an automotive technician, and a DoD contractor, to help you through this phase. My modules will allow you to study using Publication 45, which is available on the Department of Motor Vehicle website. This is the manual that the mechanics used for inspecting vehicles, to make sure they're safe, and also now to make sure they're legal for the enhanced vehicle inspections. So with myself and assistance from other modules, I will fortify your brain to become more in-depth and enjoy my modules. Again, welcome. Any questions, concerns, email me, seriousautotRaining@live.com. That's SERIUS. You can follow me on LinkedIn at Terry Rooch at LinkedIn, or just shout out to me on YouTube. Again, welcome to Serious Automotive Training. Thank you.